What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to be sharing with you all my curly hair routine from start to finish using the new Avocado line from NaturAll Club. And thanks to NaturAll Club who helped me make this video. Alrighty, so I'm going to start off by just taking my hair down. I've had my hair in like this sleek back little hairstyle for about 3 days, so it's super dry and in need of some TLC. So for my wash routine, I'm going to be doing the conditioner, shampoo, deep conditioner routine. I used to do this routine back when I was in undergrad and my hair absolutely loves it, but lately I've been kind of lazy and just doing it in the sink, which you guys usually see. So I'm doing it in the shower. So first things first, I'm going to just rinse my hair out. And I'm just trying to get my hair completely soaked with the water. And now I'm just going to section off my hair. So I'm just going to split it up into 4 different sections. And just as a tip, I keep my little butterfly clips on my shower rod, so they're just kind of easy to grab. So like I said, I'm just putting them into 4 sections, and then I'm going to start with my conditioner. Alrighty, so the first product that I'm using from the line is the Hydrating Avocado Conditioner. And I am just going to squeeze a good amount into my hand, about that much, and I'm going to apply that over one of my sections. I like to start at the bottom first. So I'm just running it through, and just when I was doing this, I noticed that it had a lot of slip and it was gliding through my hair very easily, even though as you can see from the beginning, my hair was super dry. So I really loved just like the formula that they used for this, because it worked really great with my type 4 curls. And then once I've applied that conditioner, I'm just going to split that section in half, grab another butterfly clip. I'm just going to run my fingers through, and then I'm going to use my water brush to further detangle. And you guys didn't really see that, but the brush slid through my hair super easy. So I really think this conditioner is great for detangling. And then I'm just going to twist my hair up. And then I'm just going to do the same process for the other half of that bottom section. So just running my brush through and then twisting it up. And then after I've done that bottom section, I'm going to do the same thing to the other 3 sections. So just applying the conditioner, splitting it in half, and then on both sections just detangling with my brush and twisting. And as you can see, I have conditioner all over me. Basically, some conditioners are kind of like more thicker, and then some a little bit more like thinner, and definitely this one's a little bit more on the thinner side. But again, I really did like this conditioner. So once I have twisted up my entire head, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out, and then I'm going to start shampooing. So for my shampoo, I'm going to be using the cleansing avocado shampoo, and I'm just going to squeeze a good amount of that into my hand, and I'm just going to apply that. And for shampoo, I'm trying to just focus it on my scalp. So it's another great thing about doing this process is that it kind of helps you to mainly just get it on your scalp and not as much your hair. And to clean the actual like length of my hair, I just kind of let it flow down when I'm rinsing, so it does still get on all my hair. But as for actually like kind of scrubbing my scalp, it's really great to do it in the twist. So once I've done that, I'm just going to rinse that all the way out and get as much of the shampoo out as I can, because the next step is deep conditioning. So I'm going to be using the dry hair solution, which is the one that I've used from them in the past. And I'm just going to start off by just sectioning off a few of those twists so that I'm only working with one, and I'm going to just take it down. And I can say that the shampoo worked really well because it didn't it didn't tangle up my hair, which some shampoos can do, but my hair stayed pretty detangled. So I'm going to grab a good amount of the deep conditioner, and I'm just going to apply that, and I'm kind of finger detangling as I do this. As I've said, I have worked with them before, so I already knew I was going to love the deep conditioner, so this was no shocker. But as per usual, I do really love the deep conditioner. It just glides through your curls so easily. It is amazing. Like, this is definitely a favorite of mine. And it's also all natural, so you can't go wrong with that. And then now I'm just gonna go through with my brush yet again and twist it back up into that twist. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing for all of my other twists. And then after my last twist, I still had a little bit of deep conditioner left, so I got all of that out of the package, and then I just kind of ran that around the perimeter of my hair. I kind of like to slap it on like some relaxer or something like that. So I'm just gonna slap all that on so I'm not wasting any type of product. And then I'm going to throw on my cap, and I'm going to sit underneath a heat conditioning cap to let that really penetrate my hair. So I let my hair sit with the deep conditioner for about an hour with heat, and this is how my hair looked, just showing you guys before I rinsed it out, because I rinsed it out off camera. So this is how it looked, and my hair was super soft, but again, no shocker because I've used this before. So after I rinsed it out, I just wrapped my hair up in a t-shirt like I usually do. And I just took that out, and then I just sectioned off so that I could just work with one of my twists, because my twists are still kind of intact. So now I'm using the Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm gonna squeeze a good amount of this. And I was really impressed, honestly, just squeezing it onto my hand, because it was very thick, and I live for a good leave-in. So I put about 2 servings of that on one of my sections. So I just ran that through my hair to make sure that all my strands are touched. And then I'm going to go in with my curl custard. So it's the Avocado Curl Custard, and it is a medium hold. And this is kind of the consistency of it, which I really liked. And then I'm just going to section off a small little area from that twist. And I'm going to apply a generous amount from my ends up to my roots. And as you can see, I'm kind of finger combing it through, kind of getting a feel for the product. And then I'm going to also use my brush that I always use, just to further make sure that the product is evenly distributed. And then I'm going to do a 3-strand twist. If you've been watching me for a while, I always do 3 strands over just a regular 2-strand twist, because I just love my results. So I'm not going to go into detail about the 3-strand twist, but I'm just going to do one of those and then just swirl it at the ends. And then I'm just going to continue doing small sections in that first twist, and then I'm going to basically just repeat that process with all of the twists in my head. And then the further I go up my hair, the more dry it's starting to get. So I'm just going to also spray some water before I go in with the leave-in, just to make sure that my hair is damp. So I am going to do that when I get closer up to the top. And then one other difference that I do at the top of my hair is I do a hanging bantu knot for like the middle top section. Again, if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know my hair grows kind of weird in the top. So I just do a hanging bantu knot, which I don't really show, but it's really just a bantu knot at the end of your hair. So then that way it's curly all the way from the roots to the ends, even if your ends are a little bit of a different texture. So this is what it looks like after I've applied all of my twists. It takes me a good like hour and a half to do all of these twists, but for me, small twists is just the way to go. I love my results afterwards. So I'm gonna let this dry with the hooded dryer, as well as just sleeping overnight, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I let my hair sit for like an extra day, and I'm just going to use the pure avocado oil, the last product in the line, and I'm going to drop a few drops on my hand, rub my hands together, and just run that through my twist to get them ready to take them down to just minimize frizz. And then I'm just going to go through one by one and take down each twist. And each strain of the twist I'm going to separate about 3 to 4 times, just so I can get the definition as well as the volume that I desire. So I'm just taking it down, and honestly, while my twists were still intact, I noticed that I was probably gonna get some flaking, but I actually got more flaking than I was expecting. But I will get more into that at the end of the video when I talk more about each product. But other than the flaking, my hair was actually really defined and fluffy for day one hair, which made me pretty happy. So I'm just fluffing it out some more with my pick in my hands, and then I'm just going to figure out how I want to style it. I like wearing my hair like that in a mohawk sometimes, but I decided just to throw my hair back and just kind of have like a bang and a regular old fro, which is how I generally wear my hair. Alrighty, so these are my final results from using the entire avocado line from NaturAll Club. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about each of the products really quickly and just what I thought about them. So as I stated before, I have used NaturAll Club in the past. I reviewed their deep conditioner back in 2017. They also sent me their hair growth serum, which I actually still use like weekly. And I just love NaturAll Club because they use avocados, which is really, really great for your hair. And so when they opened up, you know, and had like a full line, I was super, super excited to try out everything. So I'm just going to go from start to finish from what I used. So the first thing that I used was the conditioner. And so this is the Hydrating Avocado Conditioner, and I really liked the conditioner. You saw from the beginning my hair was mad dry, and instantly with the water and this conditioner my hair was detangled and soft like instantly. So I really, really like this. It really helped to detangle my hair, and my brush went through very, very easily. So I definitely like this conditioner. And the next product that I used was the shampoo, which was this one. And I also really like the the shampoo. I thought that the shampoo was actually pretty moisturizing compared to most shampoos. Also, even though it was very moisturizing, it still did lather up really well. So I really like the shampoo as well. Actually, the next one I don't have in front of me, but it's the deep conditioner. And as I've said, this is probably like my 4th or 5th packet of deep conditioner that I've used from them. So obviously I love the deep conditioner. It is amazing. It has amazing slip. It gives so much moisture, so much shine. The next product that I used was the leave-in conditioner. So as I said, I live for a really good leave-in conditioner, and this one definitely is going to be one of my favorites from now on because it was amazing. I hate when companies have spray leave-in conditioners because I feel like that only works for certain hair types, and I feel like most hair types, well, for us, we need like a cream type of leave-in that really allows the product to really penetrate your hair. And this was definitely really great on my hair. It moisturized my hair pretty instantly and also helped to once again just detangle my hair. This is definitely something I can see myself using every single time I do my hair, and I would definitely say this is probably my favorite product that I tried out of the entire line. The next product that I tried was the medium hold avocado curl custard. So this product probably be the one that I did not care for all that much. I love how my hair turned out curl wise. I think it's super defined, and my hair is pretty big and fluffy for day one hair. Usually like my day one hair is a little bit more like chill, and I have to kind of wait 2 or 3 days for my hair to kind of get bigger how I like it because I like big hair. So I definitely think that it kind of gave me the volume that I like along with the definition, which I usually don't get both of those on day one. So I did like that, but as you can see, my hair has a lot of like product flakiness going on, and I have a lot going on, unfortunately. But I've said multiple times when it comes to my natural hair videos that I don't like products with hold because they just never come out right. And I guess this was just another one, unfortunately, for me. I think I just want to try this product some more in different ways to see if I can kind of not get these results. And I also want to try this with a wash and go. And the last product is the one I just used today, was the pure avocado oil. Another thing that I absolutely live for is just an oil, because oil is just essential for hair. And I like this oil a lot. It doesn't give my hair like a super greasy feel at all. It's really just like a lightweight oil in my opinion. So I really did like this oil and definitely be using this as well. So this is also a giveaway. So for the giveaway, one lucky subscriber will win the entire line. So everything that I just showed you all 6 products. So the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, the curl custard, the leave-in, as well as the oil, one lucky subscriber will win. So to enter the giveaway, the rules are always pretty easy. So the first one is to obviously be subscribed to my channel. The second thing is to make sure that you click the link in my description box and add your name, and that's going to be like your actual entry. Third thing is to make sure that you like this video, and number 4 is to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and whether you are or you follow me after this giveaway, make sure that you put your Instagram name down below. That's all you have to do, 4 easy little steps. And then again, this giveaway is only for one lucky subscriber. However, if you are interested in trying out this line, which I definitely do recommend, especially the leave-in, then you can use my discount code for 10% off, and my discount code is NaturAll Courtney. It will be down in the description box, and I'll have it pop up right here. And that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in this line, please let me know down below and make sure that you enter into the giveaway. Also make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit the bell so that you're notified when I do post. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.